Let's get into it. This here is one row. This is the next. It's very tall and it really is a cool stitch. So whether you're starting a new color or you're just going to chain from the existing color that you're currently using, you're going to be in the very first stitch anyway. So I'm just going to do new yarn. Okay, and I'm going to join with a slip stitch. Okay, so whether you're going in a row or round, it doesn't matter. So this stitch is reliant on the last stitch being created. It's not reliant on the stitch below it. So you're going to chain 3 to begin. So 1, 2, and 3. You were going to go a second chain down. Okay, and what I like to do is just grab the back hump of the chain. So you're just going in there, yarn over, pull through. You're going to come into the next one that is vertical here. Just insert your hook behind it, yarn over, pull through. So you got 3 loops on the hook, and then you're going to go into the stitch that you're doing the join with. Pull through. So now you got 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see it's a really tall stitch. So now that you've done the first one exactly how it is, you can see that these horizontal bars are existing. So you're going to come into the first horizontal bar that is directly below to start a new one. So yarn over, pull through, go to the next horizontal right here, yarn over, pull through, and then advance to your next stitch. So whether you're working on a chain or a stitch, it doesn't matter. It's always the next one. So yarn over, pull through. You got your 4 loops back on the hook. So you yarn over, pull through 2, and 2, and 2, all the way back up. So to start another one, just look for the first horizontal that's below, yarn over, pull through, go to the next horizontal, yarn over, pull through, and then come into your next one. You got your 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and 2, and 2. So whether you're going in a row or round, it doesn't matter. So you can see it's reliant on the last stitch to be created. It's not reliant on these stitches below to be the same stitch that you're using. So at the end of your project or midway through, what you can do is that if you want to leave the tails on the underside of it, it's probably better for you, and just pop them through to the back side. Okay, so if you're going back and forth on the rows, you won't have these gapping because you're not joining. So what I'm going to do is just turn it to the other side. So this is what the back side looks like. So I'm going to just insert this into a tapestry needle. And I'm just going to whip stitch it closed. So just using this, just kind of pull it together. Is this cheating? No, not really. It's part of the yarn arts. Okay, so you're just going to pull things together so you get a nice tight join. With this kind of yarn, due to the volume of the thickness, you're not going to want to waste too much, so make sure that you don't leave too long of a strand to be able to do this kind of stuff. So just pull it together. You can check the other side. See, nice and tight. And then just weave in your ends on this side. And you're going to want to do that with all your gapping spaces that you'll have if you're doing it in the rounds like I am today.